Vallejo, California has so many desirable neighborhoods, including the Northgate Neighborhood, which is located on the east side of Vallejo in the 94591 zip code. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the Northgate neighborhood, including home sizes, home styles, proximity to freeways, schools, shopping, as well as where home prices have gone and where they're expected to go. If you're thinking about making the move, this is the video for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Erika Monroe. I'm a realtor in the Bay Area and I specialize in Solano County. The Northgate neighborhood is a master development that has several different eras of builds. The earliest development began in 1990 with the latest completed around 2005. As I mentioned in my previous Most Desirable Neighborhoods of Vallejo video, the Northgate neighborhood has 3 gated communities. That includes Hyde Park, which features moderately sized single-family homes, Belvedere, which is an upscale condo complex, and Tiara, which features townhouse-style homes. There are several really desirable developments in the Northgate neighborhood that branch off of Redwood Parkway, Ascot Parkway, and Columbus Parkway. Most communities feature no HOAs. However, it's important to keep in mind that all of East Vallejo has some sort of Mello-Roos or special assessment taxes. So again, important to keep in mind for your monthly payments. Most houses in the Northgate neighborhood range between 1,800 square feet and about 2,600 square feet. There are, of course, a sprinkling of some smaller single-story homes and larger, expansive 2-story houses. Nearly all homes in the Northgate neighborhood feature the same architectural styles of the 90s to early 2000s, which commonly feature tall, vaulted 16 to 18-foot ceilings, lots of windows to allow beautiful natural light to pour into the home. You'll often see a formal living room, a formal dining room, an open concept kitchen to family room. It's common to find a bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. From touring so many homes in the Northgate neighborhood, I found that most do offer some updates, but it's rare to find a fully updated or quote-unquote turnkey house. You'll commonly see updated hard surface flooring on the lower level, so hardwood floors, laminate, or luxury vinyl plank. Upstairs is almost always carpet, and you'll often see original bathrooms, or perhaps there'll be some updated counters. Kitchens, again, it's rare to see a fully renovated kitchen. Common to see upgraded granite or quartz countertops. It's almost always original cabinetry, but for the most part, it appears really well maintained. Definitely not an eyesore. It may just not be the most updated shaker style cabinetry. Lot sizes in the Northgate neighborhood are definitely more generous than a lot of new construction builds in Solano County. So Northgate typically features a 6,000 to 10,000 square foot lot. Of course, there are some exceptions, again, with lots ranging up to a half an acre. The Northgate neighborhood is one of the most convenient and commutable neighborhoods that Vallejo has to offer. You can hop on to I-80, Highway 37, 780, which takes you to 680, all within 5 to 10 minutes. You're also about a 10-minute drive from the Vallejo Ferry, which drops you off at Embarcadero in San Francisco, about a 30-minute drive from downtown Napa, as well as about a 30-minute drive from Walnut Creek, Concord, Martinez, all the shopping and restaurants that they have to offer. Local shopping around the Northgate area features Costco, which has a lot of organic and local products. There's a Safeway and a Target on Admiral Callahan Way. There's also a Home Depot and Lowe's, so you do have your bases covered. There's unfortunately no Trader Joe's or no Sprouts. You can locate them about 15 minutes away in Pinole, although there is a toll, or you can drive up a little further east to Fairfield and Vacaville. Living in the Northgate neighborhood, you would be assigned to the Vallejo City Unified School District, which would probably mean Wardlaw Elementary, Hogan Middle, and Jesse Bethel High School. I unfortunately can't comment further on whether it's a great school district or not. I would encourage you to jump on greatschools.org and do your own due diligence and research. So what does it cost you to purchase a house in the Northgate neighborhood? In 2022, looking at closed sales, there have only been 23 closed homes. So again, like the rest of the country, very little inventory. The average home sold for $790,000 in 2022 and typically featured a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2,400 square foot house on roughly 8,000 square foot lot. So your money is really stretching further than it would in any other neighboring county, but it is a significant price point. The Northgate neighborhood ranges in the top 3 or 4 neighborhoods as far as highest value for Vallejo. That being said, we are anticipating a little more inventory to come out this summer. A lot of sellers are realizing that this is the time to capitalize on the market. Some buyers, unfortunately, have been priced out of this neighborhood due to higher interest rates. So those buyers that do remain, there's a good chance that you would have less competition and hopefully would not have to offer significantly over the list price like we've seen over the last 2 years. If you have specific questions about the Northgate neighborhood, drop a comment below or reach out to me at erikamonroe.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm a teeny tiny little channel, but I've had the pleasure and honor of meeting and working with so many of you. I am so grateful, and I promise to continue to put great information and value out there.